how to generate text into an image using SImplified AI. First, make sure you check the link provided in the description below to gain easy access to the tool we'll be using. Once you're there, either log in to your existing account or simply use your Google account to sign in. Now, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll find a menu symbol that looks like 9 dots. Click on it to reveal a pop-up menu. In this menu, you'll see an option called AI Magic Tools. Go ahead and select it. Great! Now you should be on the AI Magic Tools tab. Look for the AI Image Generator and click on it. You're now on the page where you can input the text you want to generate into an image. For demonstration purposes, I'll generate an image of a dragon made of crystal. Enter your desired text and click Generate. Note that it might take a minute or two for the image to generate, so please be patient and give it some time. Congratulations! Your image is now ready. Click on the generated image to have a closer look. If it meets your expectations, you can click on Open in Editor to use the generated image in your project. However, if it's not quite what you were looking for, don't worry. Just click on Generate Variations, and the AI will generate new images based on the text you provided. You can also try generating different text on the right side of your screen for even more creative possibilities. Finally, to download the image you've generated, simply click the 3 dots on the image you want to download, and then select Download. Then save it to your computer.